stocks are pulling back early. As I speak to you right now, the Russell is up about a third of 1%, but the Nasdaq is down a little bit more than a half of 1%. The S&P is down about 0.4 of 1%, and the Dow is down about a quarter of 1%. Not a lot of volume just yet. Last night, the Bank of Japan kept interest rates at 0.5%, a half of 1%, and announced it will slow down their bond buying reductions next year, maintaining its commitment to the policy it already announced. That's a complicated way of saying a little bit easier monetary policy next year. German ZEW economic conditions and sentiment came out better than expected, as did the same data for the wider European Union. However, in the US, both core and headline retail sales were much worse than expected. Industrial production was also minus 0.2% in the US, which was worse than expected. Crude oil gapped open lower, but it's rising from those lows as I speak and is now up 1.78%, nowhere near yesterday's high, but up versus yesterday's close. Gold is just below the flat line, with silver higher by 1.7% and copper lower by 0.7%. Natural gas is also rising for the third consecutive session, so keep an eye on that as well. FOMC meeting started. The decision is due out tomorrow. The market expects the Fed to hold rates steady, stressing a cautious, data-dependent approach. Oil shock fears from Israel-Iran tensions may delay cuts, but no immediate policy adjustment is expected. I do expect them to mention that conflict in sort of broader terms, however. Looking ahead, $23 billion in 5-year Treasury inflation-protected securities are being auctioned off today. After the close, Lazy Boy, with a market cap of $1.6 billion, is reporting earnings. Before tomorrow's open, 2 industrial giants with more than $1 billion in market cap will report earnings. Korn Ferry is one of them, and GMS Incorporated is the other. Echo data tonight, economic data, Japanese trade figures. Tomorrow morning, we get Eurozone and UK CPI, housing starts, jobless claims in the US. That's switched from Thursday due to the Juneteenth holiday on Thursday, and then the US Fed rate decision that afternoon.